Imagine walking through the urban oasis known as Central Park. Spanning 843 acres, this colossal urban park, nestled in the heart of Manhattan, is one of the world's largest. Established for the public in 1857, it continues to be a haven for city dwellers seeking solace from the bustling city life. It boasts architectural and artistic landmarks such as the Bethesda Terrace and Fountain, the Central Park Zoo, and Strawberry Fields, a memorial to John Lennon. Then, picture yourself standing before the iconic Statue of Liberty on Liberty Island. This statue, a gift from the people of France in October of 1886, is a symbol recognized worldwide. A ferry ride from Manhattan allows you to explore the island, visit the museum, and even ascend to the crown of this 305-foot statue for breathtaking views of the harbor. Adjacent to Liberty Island is Ellis Island, a place rich in history. From 1892 to 1954, it served as the primary immigration inspection station for millions of immigrants arriving in the United States from Europe and beyond. Venture to Lower Manhattan and you'll find the Battery, a 25-acre park at the southern tip of Manhattan. This park was a fortification during the early days of New Amsterdam and the Dutch colony settlement that later became New York City. Fifth Avenue, one of New York's most famed streets, is a must-visit. It runs north to south through Manhattan, starting at Washington Square Park in Greenwich Village and extending up to Harlem. Known as Billionaire's Row, Fifth Avenue is home to luxury brands like Tiffany, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Cartier, and more. In Lower Manhattan and the Brooklyn Bridge area, Wall Street stands as one of the world's most powerful financial districts. Here, the Raging Bull signifies the bull market, while the Oculus Mall area near the Freedom Tower in World Trade Center features a cathedral-like atrium that rises approximately 160 feet tall. The Freedom Tower, officially known as One World Trade Center, is a prominent skyscraper located on the same site as the Twin Towers. The tower itself stands at 1,776 feet tall, offering views of the city that are hard to beat. Finally, picture the neon glow of Times Square in Midtown Manhattan. From West 42nd Street to West 47th Street, Times Square is renowned for its bright neon billboards and is a sight to behold. In summary, New York City is a vibrant metropolis filled with iconic landmarks and attractions. From the tranquility of Central Park to the hustle and bustle of Wall Street, the city offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. Whether it's the towering Statue of Liberty, the bustling Times Square, or the historic Ellis Island, New York City is a place that leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. So, why not embark on a journey to explore the city of dreams?